Princesa Plaza in Madrid. You can tell that's what that was one of the old elevators, but now they've been replaced with 5500s.
Floor's a little wet.
Piso 14. Puerta delantera abriéndose. Ascensor bajando. Puerta delantera cerrándose. Piso 12. Puerta delantera abriéndose. Ascensor bajando. Puerta delantera cerrándose.
멘트 샷 써보자고? 나도 샷 써보자고 형님? Aduh Snaini? استغل الرجال زي ما انت اي ما خليها صح؟
Puerta delantera abriéndose. Ascensor bajando. Puerta delantera cerrándose. Piso -1. Puerta delantera abriéndose. Puerta delantera cerrándose.
Back up to 14 and end it there. These are actually pretty quick. These go like 500 feet per minute. There's your panel. They got the black Schindler buttons. This actually looks really nice.
Puerta delantera abriéndose.
Anyway,
Puerta delantera cerrándose.
there it goes. Oh wait, does this work? Yes, it does. All right, I'll film that one next. Anyway, that's it.